right, so more stories. Things have been a little crazy in the music business lately. But I started actually down in the Texas music scene. I was doing the honky-tonk scene and with my full band. And anyway, long story short with those details is I've just been told a lot that I just wasn't going to make it. And my songs were not good enough. And that just actually gives me enough fire to go and write some really good songs. Thank you. And there she is. Anyway, so does anyone here know Mr. Ephraim White?
Oh, I love Ephraim White.
Oh, he's one of my, I've been Ephraimized.
He's from Fayetteville.
So make sure, yes he is, make sure you check him out. I wrote this song with Mr. Ephraim, and he's got this character about him. Thank y'all so much for coming in. Oh, thank you, Donna. She's sweet. Anyway, we wrote this song because if you don't know Ephraim, go make sure you check him out. Just a true songwriter legend, and I'm honored to have him as a co-writer. Thank you, sir. And this one right here is a fun diddle about not giving up. I hope you like it.
Just crank it up and let's go again.
Thank y'all so much. I have a coffee over here and I forgot about it. It's probably cold. I'm gonna be up all night long. I hope you're ready to write a bunch of songs, right?
All right, I'm ready. Maybe we can remember them tomorrow. It'll be even cooler.
I know that's right. We'll be out on the road and I'll be like, write that down. There's nothing to write it with.
It's like, what did you say?
Yeah, what were we saying earlier? Does anybody else here have that problem?
I hope so.
This next song here I wrote with Miss Christina Christian down in Pruitt. And this has got to be probably one of the hardest songs I think I've ever written. There's a few of those in my catalog, and this is definitely one of the top 5. I'm very honored to be able to share my testimony around the country. I work a lot with Celebrate Recovery and addiction units and all that good stuff. I'm not saying I'm not a sinner, and I'm not saying that I'm not addicted to something, but I'm there to tell my story in case anybody wants to hear it. But one of my stories is that I definitely did not necessarily have a family background that many others had. And I'm judged a lot by being on the road, and I've got a 15-year-old and a 11-year-old at home. And their dad helps me out and takes care of them and all that nice jazz, but I'm judged a lot by the church and by other people that say, well, you should be at home being a good old mama making biscuits and gravy. I make some pretty good biscuits and gravy, by the way. But this song I wrote at a very dark time, and Christina helped me get this out. And I hope it touches you as much as it has me. Why'd you marry so young to be somebody's someone? Same reaction when babies happen now. Here's your song. Oh, I'm the product of a broken love. Shattered dreams, no self-esteem. You just gave up. It don't hurt anymore. I'll let my heart open another door, 'cause I'm doing what you didn't do. I'm telling myself the truth. Oh, I'll smile when I'm about to break. Reach for the stars when I need to pray. Pick the life I wanna choose. I walk a million miles in my own shoes. There's no way I'll let myself turn into you, 'cause I'm doing what you didn't do. The comfort of a mother's touch, the I love you so much. Yeah, it was a slap in the face, a total disgrace, all one rush. Oh, when I need you, why do you have to choose? I'll never understand, man after man, there's always some excuse. I'm doing what you didn't do. I'm telling myself the truth. Oh, I'll smile when I'm about to break. Reach for the stars when I need to pray. Pick the life I wanna choose. I walk a million miles in my own shoes. There's no way I'll let myself turn into you, 'cause I'm doing what you telling myself the truth. I'm good. Yes, I'm doing what you didn't do. I'm telling myself the truth. Oh, I'll smile when I'm about to break. Reach for the stars when I need to pray. Pick the life I want to choose. I walk 1,000,000 miles in my own shoes. There's no way I'll let myself turn into you, 'cause I'm doing what you didn't do. Yeah, I'm doing what you didn't do. Why'd you marry so young to be somebody's someone? Thank you very much. I wasn't expecting to do all that. Sorry about that. That string is not liking me tonight at all. Must be the allergies, right?
Yeah. Gotta be.
That's what everybody else blames everything else on. Why not? This is about the time of the hour that for the show that you're gonna get a lot of the real, and I hope that's all right with y'all. I've gone through a lot in my life over the last few years, and unfortunately it's just all hitting me right now. So if it's all right with y'all, grinders, I'm gonna let y'all hear about it. Is that all right with y'all? So I'm not used to actually playing this song. I just started playing it like yesterday. So we're gonna try and play it, and hopefully it turns out all right.
Yeah, here it is.
Here it is. One.
Okay, folks.
And he's already turned into a guitar player. That's my thing right there. Y'all gotta bear with me. Y'all gotta live up a little bit. Are y'all having fun? Y'all gotta give me. Oh. Whew. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's I didn't think I was gonna make it on this tour, I'll be honest. And I'm very grateful that I'm here, and I'm very grateful for all of you guys. And so it's because of folks like y'all that I'm able to do what I get to do. And I'm gonna do a song. I'm not gonna do that one yet because I'm just not ready for it. But this is a brand new song. I just wrote this with Miss Cass Hunter like last week. Seem to slip through the crack, landing in a lonely place, never planned on coming back. When my heart was torn apart, I admit that I built walls. For I turned around, you broke them down, let the stones fall. fall. Oh, let the stones fall. I don't need to be in love, I just wanna love so bad. Can't believe I fell for you, been the best times I've ever had. I don't want no regrets, I'm a crazy bet I've heard. Now I trust again, knowing even then I need actions, not words. Oh, actions, not words. The last thing that I wanna do is get hurt or hurt you. I miss you when you leave, and I know you miss me too. And I know I depend on you when you say you need me. Let's forget forever, spend our days together, let the future be seen. Oh, the future can't be seen. Take our time, just in case you're the love of my life. Thank y'all so much. That's so funny because I really just wrote that song, so it's pretty important. It's pretty awesome, yeah. I wrote that with Miss Cass Hunter last week, and it's become a pretty important song to me.
That's awesome.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, Amanda, we got time for maybe one more. Roger, that's where we're at. You've killed it. Yeah, already.
That's awesome.
What do y'all think so far, huh? Yeah. We love Amanda.
All right, I'm going to do one of the all-time favorites. And this is a song that I wrote with Mr. Gerald Smith and Mr. Dennis Knudsen. And Mr. Dennis, he was a good friend of mine, and we lost Dennis a year and a half or so ago. And anyway, this song, it means so much to me because we wrote this when I first moved here. And when we did the music video to this song, we got to do it out at Johnny Cash's house. And it was so fun because we all got to hang out at his house. And so I got to lay in Johnny and June's bed. And so those are some great memories. Y'all go check it out. It's called Different Shade of Blue. Y'all give it up for my friend, Mr. Raj Tipton.
Thank y'all for having us.
Thank y'all so much for having me, and this is our last song, and I appreciate you so much. It's called Different Shade of Blue. I hope you like it. sky was still cloudy, but there was no rain. I turned on the coffee to start a new day. Along came your memory, now what can I say? I'm not over getting over you. Though the sun is peeking through, I'm not over getting over you. I'm just a different shade of blue. I took down